Well, hi, I'm Janvi Sunaya, and today I want to talk about this book, The White Tiger by Aravind Adiga. Well, the book was originally published in 2008, but I think this is the right time to go back to this book, and I'll tell you why. But first, for all those people who have not read this book, let me give you a brief that this book is about this small town guy, Balram Halwai, who didn't get proper education facilities or proper opportunities in his life to make it big. But eventually, he becomes a driver. He, in the process of becoming a businessman, also ends up murdering his master. और एंड में वो बड़ा बिजनेसमैन बन जाता है. He settles in Bangalore. He starts an own company and la la la. So, if you look at it on a surface level, it looks like any other story. But this one talks about the corruption. It also talks about murder. It also talks about all the shortcuts that a person takes in becoming a successful person or in becoming a success story. So here Aravind Adiga, the writer, doesn't look at poverty, doesn't look at deprived people in a very romanticized way. कुछ लोगों को ना गरीबी देख के ऑर्गेज़म आ जाता है. ऐसा नहीं हुआ इस ऑथर को. He is presenting India, he is presenting poverty in a way it is, and then his social commentary on India's political system, social system is very strong, very important, and that's why I keep going back to this book. It says that there are only two type of people in India, one with big bellies and one with small ones, and people have only two fate, either to eat or to get eaten up. He's saying about this class divide. Either you are rich or you are poor. There is no in between. And one of the important things that I learned from this book is this term called rooster coop. आप बुक ना पढ़नी हो तो इसे भी गूगल कर लीजिए. It's a very nice term and it has a very important meaning to it. Rooster coop is used for chickens, to trap chickens. But here it is used for us people. So when you have like servants or a watchman or a driver or a cook, what happens most of the time, or even if you are middle class, there are people on the top of the pyramid who want you to be there, who don't want you to make it big in life. These are the people who don't want the gully boy to go out of the gully. While reading about Rooster Coop, I was reminded of Ranveer Singh in Gully Boy, where he says that कोई और मुझे बताएगा कि मेरी औकात क्या है. Well, something similar happens to the protagonist of this book as well, where he thinks that I want to get freedom from this trap of a master and a servant. अगर इंडिया में mostly setup में देखा जाए तो there's always this master and there's always someone working under him. So he's talking about this trap, and to this trap he calls rooster coop. So it is very interesting, and these were just the few lines that I shared with you. But overall, whatever he has spoken about India was relevant in 2008 and is relevant now, because during this lockdown situation when the rich ones are playing games and the privileged ones like us are making videos and learning new things, we don't give a shit about what's happening to people who are daily wage earners. We become disillusioned, and this is the time when we need to introspect, and I think this book will help you just question your own ethics and your own level of morality. So yeah, I highly recommend this book during the lockdown period, and if you come across any other book which you would recommend it to me, then yeah, please feel happy to share in the comment section below. Thank you.